My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate.
Hey pretties, I have to leave in like less than 10 minutes. So right now I'm just putting on my sunscreen over my legs and my arms because you gotta stay protected from the sun. You guys, I love this sunscreen. It doesn't leave any white casts. And that's the first sunscreen that hasn't for me. Look at my new glasses, guys. They're so cute. My mom said that they match my skin tone well, and I think so too. I love this perfume. I need to get some new perfumes though. You guys, I miss vlogging. I haven't vlogged in like a month and a half, 2 months. It's been a long 2 months, okay? Hey princess, bro. Guess who got their first PR package? They sent me 14 of these amazing face masks. Like, I'm so happy this is my first PR. Thank you so much, Celebi. Love you guys so much. These face masks are so pretty and I'm so excited to use them. Thank you so much, Celebi. I kind of woke up late. Y'all, last night I used my face mask. It worked so well. I used the rose water one.
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know what she's.
Okay, I changed, so that's why I look different right now. But I'm just cleaning up my room right now. Look at my backpack, so cute. I should do a backpack tour. What's in my backpack? That would be so cute. But yeah, I just took the bedding off my bed because I put in the washer. And my bed's kind of bare right now.
My AI just changed. It just buzzed the front gate. Thank God you came. How many more days could I wait?
I feel like yesterday I wasn't able to give you guys a good look at all the PR I got. I got a bunch of these very nice face masks. I used the rose water one and I gave 3 to my mom. I also want to give some to my friend because her birthday's today, so happy birthday to her. And yeah, I feel like I'm doing a money spread.
Like controller. And I'm never on a wasting shawty. I do it how you say you want it. Them girls, they just wanna take my money. They don't want me to give you nothing. They don't want you to have.
Okay, I actually want to edit some TikToks real quick. So after I do that, I'll finish cleaning my room. Good job, Dia.
I got it. So back here, you were supposed to.
Girl, if I can play the guitar, 널 위한 곡을 수천 개는 더. 아마도 앨범을 한 6장은 내지 않았을까. 네가 내 가사가 되면 Then I'll make it all.